Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to edit the category details and update the details in the database. So previously we had seen how to fetch these details in the categories page. Okay, so in the further videos we will make this active column. We are going to set it. So for now we are just going to make the edit, and next we will make the delete. So let's start with the coding part. So here's the project and here is the category, right? So let us go to that page and index page. Here we have the edit button, right? So we are going to make it a tag a and href. We are going to add a URL over here. So the URL is going to be something like edit. Now you can just add this edit product slash the product ID we are going to send. Okay, so I'll just copy this ID and use a dot over here and concatenate it with the edit product. Okay, so whenever you click on whichever product, that ID we are going to send it in the URL. I'll just show you. So this is the product, right? So let us refresh the page once. Refresh. So now let's see, the ID is 1, right? So I'll just click on edit and we will get edit product of 1. So it says 404 not found. We are going to create this route now. Okay, so we'll go back to the code. Just copy this thing, copy and go to your web.php. Inside this is admin middleware group. We are going to give that. So let's say route get, and within single quotes paste the URL slash your controller name over here. Or if you don't want to use it in this way, so we'll use the latest method like it is provided in Laravel. So let us say use app and backslash http controllers admin category controller. Okay, so you can just import that over here, hit a semicolon, copy that class, and here directly you can paste that colon class, and here just put a comma and add the class and the function name. Okay, so which function we are going to take it to? Inside the category controller we are going to say to the edit function, right? So let us create a function over here and name the function as edit, and in this we are going to receive $id. Okay, so you can copy that ID over here and go back to this. First we'll mention this at edit function. So here we need to pass the ID, right? So within curly braces just write the ID. Okay, save, and we'll just add a space here. I think something is missing over here, so okay, we need to put it within this brackets. Yeah, save, and let us go to this page, I mean the edit function here, and return a template. Say return view. Here what we are going to say, the page name. So first let us create such a page for editing. So we'll go inside resources, views, inside admin category we have add, right? So we're just going to create a edit blade. Okay, edit.blade.php, hit enter, go to the add.blade file and just copy the same design and paste it over here. So in the controller, when you're coming to this edit, right, we need to have the details of what data we are going to edit. So first we'll give the template name. So inside, not admin, where is it, resources, oops, views, yeah, so here it's going to be admin dot category dot edit. Save, and if you press Ctrl and click on this, it will take you to that page. So let's go back one step, and here we are going to pass the products. So let me create a variable here, say $products equal to, call the the category, right? So name it as category, so you can relate it category equal to, call the category model, find function we are going to use. So find $id. So this $id we are passing, right? So we are just going to filter the record whichever ID is matching with that, and we are going to send that to the template. So say compact function, and inside the compact function just copy this name, except the dollar, don't copy the dollar along with it, paste, save, and go to the template. Here in the name, right, we have, we'll just show you this. Instead of add, we are going to say edit and update. Okay, edit, update category, save and refresh. So we'll say edit. So we have got this page, right? So here we need the data to be pre-filled. Whatever data is there, it has to come here. We are just going to edit and update that thing. Okay, so for that we are going to add the value for this input tags. Say value equal to, and within double curly braces, this thing which we had passed here, right? Just copy that and here paste dollar and paste it over here, dollar category of name. Similarly for the other input fields also, we are just going to do that same thing. Just copy that and paste, say slug, save, and here for this description, right? So make a note over here, don't give as value because this is a text area, right? So we have to paste it in between the text area open and close tag. Just paste it over here, remove this value thing. Okay, the name is going to be description. Yeah, save, and then the status. So this is checkbox, right? So how do we echo for this? What we are going to say is, first paste this thing and remove the value. Okay, so here we are going to say if category of status is true, then it has to say checked, else null. So what is this? If it is true, that means if it is 1, or let us directly write it over here, if it is equal to 1. So if we have updated as 1, so it will be checked, else it will be null. We'll just show you. Save this and let us refresh, and you can see it is not set to, it is not hidden, or your status is not checked. So if it is checked, it is going to come here as checked over here. I think for the status we had done that same thing, so let me just copy and paste. So we had given this popular as 1, so let us see popular, we had given 1 for this product. Refresh and check. Yeah, so it is checked automatically, right? So I'll refresh and show you, it is checked automatically, and we are getting these things. So let us add it for the remaining fields also. Copy it from the value and paste it, meta title. This is the text area, so paste it inside this thing and remove this value and double quotes, meta keywords, and this is again a text area, so I'll just copy this and paste it here. So meta descript, this was descript, save, and the image we don't have to do anything, or let us just check here. If so, what we are going to do here is, if there is an image, we are just going to display that, else we will just show the upload thing. This input type field will leave it over there. So say if dollar category of image, we are going to check that if dollar category of image, then image tag, image source is going to be within double curly braces, just say asset function, and inside the public folder you have to give the paths to it. Public, the admin, inside this, inside the assets, uploads, and the category. So let us say assets slash uploads slash category slash the image name, right? So here just we are going to concatenate it, dot, and the this thing, category of image. Copy that and paste it over here. Save. Alt tag, just say category image, save, and now here when we are giving submit button, it has to go to the update URL. So let us say update category, save, and copy it. So this is the update, right? So we are not going to use the post method, we are going to use the put method. Okay, so here we're going to say method put, and along with this you need to specify it over here. Okay, at method put. Okay, so sometimes it will throw an error if you have not mentioned this, so make sure the CSRF and the method put is defined inside the form tag. So go to your web.php, and here we are going to say route put method and paste the URL over here, update category / the ID along with it. So say ID, let us check if there is the ID passed in that. No, here we need to pass the ID. So say / and concatenate the ID over here. So we had passed the ID from here, right? I mean the category data. So you can directly paste it anywhere here. So I'll just show you $category of ID. Say ID, save, and here ID is done. And here we're going to say category controller class, comma, update function. Okay, save, and give the semicolon over here, copy a function name and go to this controller. Here we'll be making that function, say fun, yeah, paste it over here, and here we are going to take request, say request space $request. Okay, save, and remove this thing. Here again we are going to call the, we are going to filter the data from the database of this particular product. So you can just copy it from here itself, copy and paste. We need to pass the ID over here, comma $ID. So we are going to do that, and here we are going to check first for the image. Okay, if $request has file, here it is, function, inside that we need to give the image field name. So I'll go to the edit blade and copy this thing, name equal to image, and paste it over here. If there is an image in this, what we have to do is first we are going to create a variable called $path, and say the path within single quotes, just say the path which we had given here. You can either take it from this edit blade, here we have given, just copy that, or it will be in the upload thing. Okay, so you can see here it is, so just paste that over here inside your category and the request name, which the product we are going to use, right? So say dot and $category, this thing, just copy and paste, category of image, save. Now what we are going to do is we are going to check if there is an image which exists in this path with this name. Okay, so say if condition here, if, and here we are going to say file exists function. Okay, and here we'll pass the $path variable. So say file : delete and the path variable, semicolon. Okay, so what this will do is if there is an image in this for this particular category, we are going to delete that old image and the new one we are going to add. So you might have seen in the insert video we had done this thing, so I'll not waste time and just copy the thing and paste it over here, paste. Okay, so this is for the image thing. We have finished the image and we are just taking the image field here. This is taking the extension, we are creating a unique name and moving it to the folder. That's it. And this is for the database, whatever it has to store in the image field, the image column. The rest of the things is going to be the same like we had done in the ad, right? So just copy it and paste, copy and paste. So whatever is there in this, it's just going to update. So this is fine, everything looks good. So now here, instead of $category of save method, we are going to use the update function. Say update, okay, semicolon. So after updating, we need to redirect it to the admin dashboard. So let me say return redirect, return redirect, and here we'll give the URL along with the message, say with status as category updated successfully, save, and where we are going to redirect it to the admin dashboard. So we're going to copy this route and paste it over here, save. So now let us go and test this code. So here it is, edit product, refresh, we'll go to the all categories and we'll check for the different things. So this household thing is there, right? I'll just click update, edit. I have got this right, so I'll keep status as 1. It should be hidden, and I'll remove the popular status. Okay, so this image thing, it's so big, we'll just add the CSS for this too, and we'll change the image for this. So we'll just take this short image and say open. I'm going to say submit, and there's some mistake, the get method is not supported, support methods put. Let us check in the code why that error we had got. Method put, and here I think it must be post. We say save and go and refresh. Okay, so we are going to say status 1, remove the popular status and update with a new image. Say shirt, open, and submit. And let us see. File not found. We need to import that class. Go to your controller, this file, right click, import, and here we need to take this package file, save and refresh. Okay, so it got refreshed. Let us try once more. Go and say shirt, open, submit, and yeah, done. So let us go to the categories and check the new image has been uploaded. Let us check in our folder if the old image has been deleted or not. So we'll go to the public, assets, images, inside category. You can see the WebP image is gone, which was previously WebP, and we have these 3 images. This is the new one which we updated. So in this video we have seen how to edit and update the category data along with the images. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.